What if I told you that you don't need to be an AI expert to start using AI like a pro? You don't need to understand complicated code, learn machine learning, or spend hours testing hundreds of different tools. You simply need to understand how to give AI the right instructions and how to fit it into your everyday workflow. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how. In the next few minutes, we'll cover 5 practical ways you can use AI right now: thinking, researching, creating, automating, and improving your work. And I'll also show you the biggest mistake beginners make when using AI. So let's start with the most important one. The first way to use AI is as your thinking partner. A lot of people open an AI chatbot and immediately ask, "Give me some ideas," but that's not the best way to use it. Instead, give AI a specific goal and some context. For example, let's say I want to start a YouTube channel about artificial intelligence. Instead of simply saying, "Give me YouTube ideas," I could say, "I want to start an English YouTube channel about AI tools. My target audience is beginners in the US and India. Give me 15 video ideas with strong, curiosity-driven titles. Explain why each idea could work, and rank them from highest to lowest potential." That's a completely different prompt. Now AI understands what I'm doing, who I'm targeting, and what result I want. You can use the same technique for almost anything. Planning a business? Ask AI to help you structure it. Learning something? Ask AI to explain it at your level. Have a problem? Give AI the context and ask it to give you multiple possible solutions. The key idea is simple. Don't treat AI like Google. Treat it like an intelligent assistant that needs instructions. The second skill is research, and this can save you a huge amount of time. Let's say you're making a video about a new AI model. Normally, you might open multiple websites, read articles, compare features, collect information, and then create your own notes. AI can help you organize that process much faster. For example, you can ask, "Research the latest features of this AI tool. Organize them into categories. Explain what each feature does, and tell me which features would actually matter to a content creator." Now you have a structured starting point. You can also ask AI to summarize long documents, compare 2 products, turn complicated information into simple explanations, create research notes, find gaps in your existing ideas, and convert your research into a video outline. But there's one important warning here. Never blindly trust AI-generated information. AI can sometimes give you outdated or incorrect information. So if you're working with important facts, statistics, prices, legal information, or anything time-sensitive, verify it using reliable sources. Think of AI as your research assistant, not your final source of truth. Now we get to one of my favorite uses of AI: content creation. Let's say you have an idea for a YouTube video, but you don't know how to turn that idea into a complete video. AI can help you with almost every stage. You can start with, "Give me 10 video ideas," then choose one and ask, "Create a detailed outline for this video." Once you have the outline, ask, "Turn this outline into a 5-minute conversational YouTube script with a strong hook, clear examples, and smooth transitions." But don't stop there. You can ask AI to improve the hook, make the script more natural, remove repetitive sections, add examples, create a title, write the description, generate thumbnail text, and even create social media posts to promote the video. And this isn't only for YouTube. AI can help you create Instagram captions, TikTok scripts, blog posts, product descriptions, emails, presentations, ad copy, and marketing content. And when you combine text AI with image, video, voice, and music generation tools, you can build an entire content production workflow around AI. Now here's where AI becomes even more powerful: automation. Because productivity isn't just about creating things faster. It's also about eliminating work you shouldn't have to do manually in the first place. Let's say you run a business and receive dozens of customer messages every day. Instead of manually reading every message, you could create a workflow where AI analyzes each message, identifies what the customer needs, categorizes it, and prepares a response. Or imagine you're a content creator. You could have a workflow that takes your long-form video and helps turn it into short clips, titles, descriptions, social media captions, and content ideas for your next video. You can also use AI to summarize meetings, organize information, extract important data, and handle repetitive administrative tasks. And you don't need to automate everything at once. Start small. Find one task that you repeat every single day. Ask yourself, "Can AI do this for me?" If the answer is yes, automate that one task first, then move to the next. But there's one thing that separates people who get amazing results from AI from people who get completely useless answers. And that's prompting. You don't need to memorize complicated prompt formulas, but you should give AI 4 basic things: context,